I'm Kevin Leathers.
And I'm Mark Harris with Belimo Air Controls.
And we're in Atlanta at one of our premier platinum distributors, Stromquist & Company. We're doing some training today, and we had a lot of feedback in that first session about a couple of our new products. So we wanted to come on and share with Eric and his online community. So the first product that is really getting a lot of great feedback is this jackshaft adapter kit.
That's right, Kevin. One of the key problems that mechanical contractors have when they're retrofitting a jack-shafted damper is how do you mount that actuator on the jackshaft?
Yep.
They frequently wind up having to completely disassemble that jackshaft in order to mount an actuator on it. The jackshaft adapter is the solution.
Yeah, when we came out with this product and product development, thought it was going to be a time saver and make it a little easier to do, but they had no idea what it was actually going to do in the field as far as time and labor savings. And it's such a simple idea. Instead of having to disassemble that whole jack shaft bearing, now you just grab the existing jack shaft, then you direct couple your actuator like every other direct coupled actuator right there on the shaft, and it's going to turn and operate the damper. Big time saver. And it comes with all the things you need in the kit. You got your mounting bracket, and you've got the anti-rotation strap. It's just so easy, and I want to say we take a job that used to take an hour, and one man can do it in less than 20 minutes.
Absolutely.
Really a great product. We've asked Eric to post a video from Belimo on how this is mounted and used in the field, and you can go to controltrends.com to see that video. And the other product that's getting so much positive feedback, and Stromquist was very excited about it, is the electronic pressure independent valve.
That's exactly right, Kevin. Since Belimo introduced pressure-independent technology to the commercial HVAC market 5 years ago, we've had tremendous response from both building owners and consulting engineers. Now with Belimo's new product, the electronic pressure-independent control valve, you get all of those benefits at a reduced first cost.
That's right. So go to controltrends.com. I know Eric's already got the pressure-independent characterized control valve video on there, and he'll soon have the electronic pressure-independent valve video at controltrends.com. So be sure and check that out, get all the information and the animation. It'll fully explain how these products can save you money and energy. Mark, the other topic that came up today here at Stromquist, and I hear it over and over, is a lot of discussion and questions about valves that advertise 300-to-1 rangeability. Talk a little bit about that.
Sure, Kevin. Rangeability and turn down are closely related terms. Eric's going to be posting a blog entry from me in the next few weeks dealing with this subject in pretty great detail. For now, let's just leave it at the fact that rangeability is a laboratory measurement of the valve body, whereas turn down is a measure of the performance of the valve assembly, including the actuator in the field. The higher rangeability, the better, up to a point. The problem is that the very best actuators on the market only have a turn down of about 100-to-1. So if you install a 100-to-1 turn down actuator on a 300-to-1 rangeability valve body, what do you get? You get a turn down for the entire assembly of 100-to-1. So if your customers are installing 300-to-1 valve bodies in commercial HVAC projects, it's probably way overkill, and they're spending money that they don't have to spend.
Well, we sell a 300-to-1 rangeability valve. Where does that fit?
It's great for industrial applications, but really not appropriate for commercial HVAC applications.
Okay, I've got a valve with 300-to-1 rangeability and an actuator that's limited to 100-to-1 rangeability. Why are so many people fixated on that 300-to-1 number?
I think it's because a lot of folks think that if a little is good, then more has to be better. And that's true up to a point, as we said. But if you're currently paying for a 300-to-1 rangeability valve body in a commercial HVAC application, we think you could be saving money on that job.
And you can find more about this at controltrends.com. Okay, Mark, speaking of saving money, zone valves, very popular. We sell zone valves by the case, especially on bid day because they are typically the cheapest item out there. But it really doesn't make the most fiscal sense, especially for those building owners, does it?
I don't really think it does, Kevin. Zone valves have one great advantage. They're cheap. They have a low close-off pressure, low pressure rating, very poor control.
Yeah.
It's our opinion that you're better off to spend just a few dollars more and get a Belimo CCV, far better valve, 5-year warranty, no maintenance, much better product all the way around.
So you have that 5-year warranty on a valve that's going to last 10 or 15 years versus replacing those zone valves every 2 or 3 years, and it pays for itself. A really great idea.
Absolutely.
All right, we're out of time. We got to get back into the training class. I'm Kevin Leathers. This is Mark Harris. We're with Belimo Americas. We thank you for your time. We thank Stromquist for letting us come in and do this video on their controltrends.com multimedia website. You can find out more about Stromquist at stromquist.com. You can visit our website at belimo.com. And until next time, this is Kevin.
Mark Harris.
Buy more Belimo.
If you need to control it or measure it, Stromquist & Company has a control solution for you. With over $2 million of inventory between our Georgia and Florida locations, an easy-to-use online ordering platform, same-day shipping, and a factory-trained team of controls experts to answer your questions, Stromquist & Company continues in its tradition of offering great service and great products.